Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, children? Hope everyone is fine, alhamdulillah. So children, welcome back to my class. In the previous classes we have learned about the types of plants. The next is uses of plants. So we are going to learn some more information regarding our uses of plants. So in the previous classes we have learned about that plants give us food, vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses. Understood? So till now we have learned pulses. Now we are going to learn about oils and nuts. OILS, oils, NUTS, nuts, oils and nuts. So WEV, cat, oil, FROM from, PLANTS, plants such as mustard, MUSTARD, mustard. So we get oil from where, children? Yes, we are getting oil from the plants. So the plants are very useful. They give us food, vegetable, fruits, pulses, cereals, everything. Now they are giving us oils and nuts. Mustard oil, nothing but rai ka tel. We are saying that rai ka tel, mustard oil. Sunflower oil. See, can you see this sunflower oil? GROUND, ground, NUT, nut, groundnut, and CONUT, coconut. So we get oils from plants such as mustard, sunflower, groundnut and coconut. See children, these are the plants. From the plants only we are getting the oils. From the mustard plant we are getting mustard oil. From the sunflower plant we are getting sunflower oil. From the groundnut, groundnut oil. And from the coconut we are getting coconut oil. Understood? So the plants, they give us not only fruits, vegetables, but they give us oils and nuts also. Okay. WEV, USCUs, THE, we use the OIL, oil, FOR, COOKING, cooking. We use the oil for cooking. Yes children, we are using oils for cooking purpose and we are using it for different purpose also. In our kitchens, our parents are using oils for cooking purpose. Have you seen? Yes, they are using this sunflower oil or gold drop, anything, etc. WEV, USCUs, CONUT, coconut, OIL, oil, for APPLYING, applying, on, OUR, HAIR. So we use coconut oil for applying on our hair. Can you see this coconut oil? Khopre ka tel we used to call in Hindi. So we are using that oil for applying on our hairs. WEV, USCUs, MUSTARD, mustard oil, TO2, APPLY, apply, on, OUR, BODY, body. We use mustard oil to apply on our body. This raika tel, some people in other countries they are using this as for cooking purpose and for on our body purpose. They are applying on our body. SOMism, PLANTS, plants, GIVE, give, USS, NUTS, nuts. So some plants, not only oils, they are giving us nuts, nothing but these types of nuts, dry fruits. SUCHS, search, is as almond. What is meant by almond, children? Almond is nothing but badam. So some plants, they are giving us oils and also nuts, oils and nuts. Almond, badam, cashew, kaju. Okay, and next peanut, hazelnut, walnut. So these are nothing but the dry fruits, nuts that are getting from plants. From where we are getting? Plants. Understood? The plants, they are giving us oil and also has nuts. So see, nuts, nuts can be eaten, raw, or roasted, roasted, and can added to dishes. So nuts, they can be eaten raw, means they can, obviously everyone likes to eat these dry fruits directly, but some people they use roasted, means bhunawa. So they are using their by raw, or they are taking as them roasted, and some people they added in the dishes, fruits, sweet dishes. They applied these all dry fruits in sweet dishes. Do you know that kheer, fruit ka meetha, etc. So we are using these nuts in the sweets. Understood? Oils and nuts. The next is herbs and spices. Herbs, in the previous class also I have said, herbs are nothing but the small plants. They have soft stem that are used in medicine purpose also, and for also cooking. Coriander, CORIANDER. Coriander, nothing but dhania. AND and MINT, mint. PUDINA, pudina, are herbs. 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 This kothmir and pudina, coriander and mint are nothing but the herbs. They have the small soft stems, so they are used in medicines and also for cooking purpose. CLOVE, clove. Clove is nothing but this, children, long. What is meant by clove? Long. Clove is long. Cumin, zira. CUMIN, cumin, zira. And CARDAMON, cardamom, nothing but elaichi. Are spices. These are nothing but spices that are used in the dishes. We use this daily in the kitchen. Yes, this coriander seeds, धनिया seeds, धनिया के बीज बोलते हैं. Coriander seeds, turmeric, nothing but haldi. Coriander leaves, kothmir. Pudina, mint. Clove, long. Ginger, adrak. Elaichi, jeera. These all are nothing but the spices that are using in our daily kitchens. Understood? They also comes from plants. Yes, children, these are also comes from the plants. We get herbs such as coriander and mint from plants. See, this coriander and mint, they are getting from the plants. We use both leaves and seeds of coriander seeds. अपन उसके leaves भी खाते हैं and as well as we are using the seeds. धनिया के beans भी and धनिया, nothing but coriander, कोथिमीर. They are used in food. See, they are nothing but they are used in preparation of food. Okay. Such as they are used in food. Spices such as this clove, long, cumin, jeera, cardamom, elaichi, they are also giving different flavor to our food dishes. Understood, children? They are used in spices and as well as they are used in the sweet dishes also. See, most herbs and spices can be used as medicine. Just now I have said, no, these herbs and spices, they are used in for cooking purpose also and as well as for medicines. Understood? Coriander seeds, धनिए के बीज, टर्मरिक, हल्दी, कोरिएंडर, कोथिमीर, पुदीना, mint, clove, long, ginger, adrak, jeera, elaichi. These are nothing but the spices that are using in our dishes. They'll give flavor. What they'll give? Flavor to our dishes. Nothing but taste. Okay, they give flavor to our dishes. See, what is the next topic, children? Yes, chocolates. So everyone like chocolates? Yes. CHOCOLATE, chocolate, which we love to eat. Yes, everyone's love chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yes, Dairy Milk, 5 star. Yes, everyone likes chocolate. So how they made from? Let us see how they. IS is MADE made, FROM from COCOA, cocoa beans. These cocoa beans are the seeds of the cocoa plant. See children, these are the nothing but these are the beans of cocoa. One plant is there, we are calling them as a cocoa plant. See, this is nothing but cocoa plants. From these plants we are getting these beans. These beans are nothing but they are converting into a beautiful chocolates. Understood? So the chocolates are prepared from the cocoa beans. These are nothing but the cocoa beans. Can you see this picture? Okay. The next is beverages. 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 So what is meant by beverages? Let us learn. ANYNE TYPE type OF of DRINK drink other than water is called beverages. See, any type of drink other than water. Water is nothing but a liquid form we are drinking. Understood? So other than water, whatever we drink, we are calling them as beverages. Like TEA, COFF, coffee, and cocoa are the examples of beverages. We get tea, coffee and cocoa from the plants. See, these are the nothing but the plants. From that we are getting tea, coffee, and this from the cocoa plants only we are getting the chocolates. So children, the meaning of beverages that any type of drink other than water, पानी के अलावा अपन जो भी liquid item पी रहे, we are calling them as beverages. Not like cool drinks other than this. So like tea, coffee, they are also liquid. No, tea, coffee भी liquid रहता ना. So we are them calling as a beverages. Okay. From where we are getting this? From the cocoa plants. From the cocoa plants we are getting these beans. From that beans we are making the chocolates and tea, coffee. Understood? In the next video class I'll be explaining the next one. Thank you.